Common reasons behind the refusal of ICT work permit cases. What is ICT? Broadly speaking, ICT, or the intra-company transferee category of LMIA exemptions, permits international companies to temporarily transfer qualified employees to Canada for the purpose of improving management effectiveness, expanding Canadian exports, and enhancing competitiveness in overseas markets. ICT-based LMIA exemptions may be granted as part of international agreements under Section 204A or on the basis of Canadian interests under Section 205A of the Immigration and Refugee Protection Regulations. Hello, my name is Reza and I work with the Ingwe immigration team helping applicants move to Canada. Whether it's for yourself, your kids, your business, or all of the above, we make it happen. Let me make this clear. I'm not an actual full-time YouTuber, but I work hands-on with our licensed team, working on actual applications and communicating with the immigration departments, both inside Canada and overseas embassies on a daily basis on behalf of our clients. These videos are made for the purpose of sharing our hands-on immigration knowledge with our worldwide audience. And of course, if you're thinking about immigrating to Canada, well, we're here to help. Get a free email assessment by filling out the form down below this video for eligible applicants. What are the basic pillars of an ICT LMIA exemption? Before we can explore common reasons for refusal, we must understand the basic pillars of an ICT LMIA exemption. This exemption applies to intra-company transferees who are part of a global enterprise and aim to work within its network, be it a parent company, subsidiary, branch, or affiliate. Aim to transfer to an organization that has a verifiable relationship with their current employer and are committed to working in a bona fide and ongoing operation of that entity, typically for a minimum of 18 to 24 months. Aim to occupy a role at an executive level in senior management or in a position requiring specialized knowledge. Have been consistently employed, whether on the payroll or through direct contract, in a similar full-time role by the company intending to transfer them outside Canada for at least 1 year within the 3 years leading up to their initial application. Although this program was initially designed to facilitate the transfer of employees by large multinational corporations, it is important to note that smaller businesses establishing a branch in Canada are also eligible for this exemption. This provision also allows smaller entities with aspirations to expand into the Canadian market have the opportunity to transfer key employees who are integral to their operations. Common reasons for ICT refusal. Although language proficiency tests are not mandatory for temporary skilled workers under the ICT program, case law indicates that visa officers may still consider an applicant's language ability. Another reason for refusal is inadequate evidence of meeting the required work experience, particularly if the experience is in an unrelated field or lacks sufficient supporting documentation. Since 2014, IRCC has imposed a more rigorous definition of specialized knowledge, a subcategory within the ICT category. Applicants need to demonstrate a high degree of both proprietary knowledge and advanced expertise, which is a higher standard than traditionally applied. The knowledge or expertise must be highly unusual within the industry and the host firm, and critical to the business of the Canadian branch. Failing to demonstrate a high degree of specialized knowledge is a common reason behind refusals of applications under the ICT specialized knowledge category. Your true intention to set up a branch, subsidiary, joint venture inside Canada is to gain status. This means that they don't believe that you are doing this for business purposes, but rather for immigration. You are funding the new Canadian branch from your own personal investments as an applicant, not funding it from the parent company account. You are moving over more foreign workers to the new branch than Canadian full-time employees during the first year. You did not clearly establish the relationship between the parent company and the new branch in Canada, or the applicant's role in the parent company for minimum 1 year before transferring over to the Canadian entity. You do not have a business registered in Canada yet, a bank account that is funded, or a commercial lease agreement for the place of your business inside the country. The parent company's revenues, profits, and size does not justify the investment in Canada. Your business plan is written with immigration in mind. The business plan must be written independent of the immigration goals and should not mention anything about immigration categories or objectives. There is no significant benefit clearly stated or justifiable in your application to enter Canada with a work permit. Remember that significant benefits for each region or community of Canada can be different. It's important to meticulously prepare ICT applications, ensuring all criteria are met and adequately supported with the necessary documentation. Understanding these common reasons for refusal and case law examples can help in better navigating the application process for an intra-company transferee work permit in Canada. If you're thinking about immigrating, whether permanently or temporarily, you're at the right place. I can guarantee you only one point. You will know what to expect. The entire process clearly laid out for you, and all the risks identified, including costs. Our legal agreements are based on payment milestones, which is linked directly to your application progression. We do not take 100% advance payment for your Canadian business immigration applications. And if you're looking for discounts, look no further. I know a great online website such as Amazon that has great discounts on millions of items every day. But if you're looking for results in your immigration plans, that's our expertise. No surprises, no promotions, just results. We have a $1 million liability insurance which protects you and us from mistakes or fraud, as well as dedicated client trust account with our Canadian banks. Our team speaks over 9 languages and we help applicants from over 49 different countries during their immigration process. And this list is growing every day. Click the link below this video and get a free email assessment. And if you're ready to apply and would like a one-on-one session with me or one of my immigration team members at Ingwe, you can also book a session directly using the consultation link in the description of this video.